Choosing the right wood lathe can be tricky. Benchtop and full-size lathes each have their advantages, but which one fits your needs best? Let's break it down. Size and space requirements. Benchtop lathes are compact and can be placed on a workbench, perfect for smaller workshops. Full-size lathes require more floor space and are better suited for dedicated workshops with more room to accommodate larger projects. Power and performance. Benchtop lathes typically have motors around 1/2 to 1 horsepower, ideal for lighter work. Full-size lathes come with more powerful motors, usually 1 to 2 plus horsepower, allowing them to handle larger, more demanding tasks with ease. Price comparison. Benchtop lathes are budget-friendly, typically costing between $200 to $600. Full-size lathes, however, range from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on size and features, making them a more significant investment for serious woodturners. Work capacity. Benchtop lathes can handle smaller projects, typically up to 12 to 14 inches in diameter. Full-size lathes offer more capacity, handling larger pieces, up to 20 to 24 inches in diameter, making them ideal for larger workpieces like bowls and furniture parts. Ease of use and setup. Benchtop lathes are easy to set up, requiring minimal space and adjustment. Full-size lathes are bulkier, requiring more setup time and floor space, but offer greater flexibility for larger projects. Versatility and types of projects. Benchtop lathes are perfect for small projects like spindles and small bowls, but are limited in handling larger or more intricate tasks. Full-size lathes provide more versatility, allowing you to tackle large bowls, furniture pieces, and advanced turning techniques. Portability and storage. Benchtop lathes are lightweight and portable, making them easy to store when not in use. Full-size lathes are heavy and require dedicated space, making them less portable but more stable for serious, heavy-duty work. Choose a benchtop lathe if you're limited by space and budget, or a full-size lathe for larger, more versatile projects. Think about your needs before making a decision.